Okay, now time for the penny demonstration. This one is neat because we looked at this simulation online, but now we actually get to test it out for ourselves. So again, I'll start with water over here. I'm going to pull up some water into my dropper. And let's see how many can fit on the surface. I've never done this before. So we will see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let me pause for just a minute. What do you observe? Like, what is the water look like on top of the coin? Okay, make some observations as well. Okay, so we stopped at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we can see that it still hasn't covered the whole surface of the penny yet, but it is starting to fill out. Okay, that's at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, I think we're near 25, 26, wow. 27, 28, 29, 30, oh my goodness, it's going much further than I expected. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, wow. Oh, there we go, 37. It broke on the 37th. That is quite impressive. 37. All right, let's move on to the cooking oil. Let's see how the cooking oil differs here. I'm drying up some cooking oil in my dropper. Okay, here we go, cooking oil. Let's see how you fare against the water. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just take note of how the oil already appears much different than the water did. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can see the oil spreading out, filling out the surface. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, this is going much longer than I had expected. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, there it goes, 28. That still was quite impressive. I thought it would end much earlier than 28. Okay. And last but not least, the nail polish remover. Okay. So I'm cleaning out my pipette. Okay. Taking in some nail polish remover. And let's see how this one fares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, the whole surface is covered. You can see there's even an, oh, there was a bubble in there, just popped. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wow. And there it goes. 30. That also went much farther than I expected. Looking at this nail polish remover though, I'm curious because a lot of nail polish remover is diluted with water. So if it has enough water, if we look at the back here, ingredients, you can see it says acetone and water. So it might have enough water in it that it is taking on water-like properties. So that might explain it. All right, I'm going to pause this demonstration. I hope you enjoyed seeing these demos, and I think all of this you are very capable of doing at home yourself. All right, see you later.